In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Squarespace with ease and efficiency. Whether you're planning a virtual gathering, a community event, or a personal celebration, Squarespace provides you with a streamlined way to manage and showcase your event details. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get your event up and running in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL to bring you to their homepage. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll need to create a free account to get started. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your site activities. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to access the website section, which is where the magic happens. Locate and click on the Website tab, then look for the Pages option. Clicking on Pages will take you to a new screen where you can manage the layout and content of your site. You'll see a list of pages, both current and new ones you can create. Now to add your event, look for the small pluses button next to the main navigation section. This button allows you to add new pages and sections. Click on the plus and from the resulting menu, select Events. This choice will give you a variety of layout options to choose from, each offering different styles and functionalities for your event page. Browse through these layouts to find one that best fits the vibe of your event, considering factors like design elements and the amount of detail you wish to display. After selecting a layout that suits your needs, you'll be ready to start crafting the details of your event. This is the creative part, where you can input all the pertinent information your guests need to know, such as the date, time, venue, and any other specifics that are important. You can customize the design to reflect the theme of your event, add photos or videos, and even set up RSVP options to keep track of your attendees. Squarespace gives you the flexibility to make your event page as informative and visually appealing as possible. Once you've entered all your event details and are satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save your changes. Take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy and appeal. And just like that, you're done. With your event page live, you can now share the link with your invitees and start building the excitement for your event. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to take advantage of Squarespace's intuitive tools to craft the perfect event page. Thanks for watching and happy event planning.